single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my
Hello
way.
people, welcome to my channel, altijd. Today I'm going to show you how I put these rims on this tire. It's a beadlock, and some people are asking how do you do that. Some people use tools for it. I just use a screwdriver, nothing special to press or anything. So I will show that to you, and these are the new rims and tires for my K5 Blazer from Traxxas trx4. So let's give it a try. We have the rim, and there are 6 screws in here, and you can take it apart. So the first thing I always do is put the ring in the tire. It's not that easy to get it in there. Once it's in, you know. There you go. Yep. So that's in there. It's firm and okay. So the next thing you do is put the rim inside here. It's also very easy to do. So what you do now is actually you press the rim on the side of the tire, and these border sides, as you can see. And the next one is actually this ring. I hope it's focusing, yeah. You have to push this one in here also on the other side. And this is always a little pain in the, you know. But once it's in there, you know. Voila. See, so now you have to actually, you can see these holes here. They have to fit to screw them down. And what I do then is really press this hard down, like this. But then we take a small screw, put it in there. Oops. And I use 2 screws, the opposite sides, and start screwing them in, but not completely, you know, because just fasten them so it can go anywhere. There you go, a little bit fastened, and then the other one also, so a little bit fastened. There you go, and then take the others and also put them in one by one, and then you firmly tighten the screws all the same. So don't put any pressure on them, just screw them down one by one, you know. And once you have done that, the tires actually fit very nice and firm on there. And yeah, there's then also this little screws here, and these are intended to screw in the front of the tire to make the tire look yeah, cool. It's more aesthetic screw, the small one. So you see, you just go like this, one by one, tighten them. When you feel some force, just stop screwing, because that means that it's going down. And you go one by one until the tire is completely locked. So it is bead locked. And yeah, that's it for a really easy way to fit these tires on these rims, you know. I see a lot of people using tools like pressure devices to press the tires together, but it's not necessary because it's an easy way this way. Once you have 2 screws in there, the other ones just follow. Also, don't tighten it too much. Yeah, when it's tighten just enough and then stop it, because you can always break a screw in there and then the tire is gone, you know. So, and if they loosen, you have always spare screws in the package. So if you lose one screw, it's not a problem. Your tire won't come off, you know. There you go. That's fitted firmly, as you can see. And this is the tire. Now I have to put in all these small screws here. I'm going to show you. These small ones are going in these holes. So that's going to be nice work to do. And that's more aesthetic. And then you have also this cap comes off. So you can actually mount the tire on the vehicle. And then you put the cap back on. So I'm gonna take this cap off for the moment. There you go. Oh wait, I'm gonna take a screwdriver. Maybe that's easier to take them off. Yeah. So let's get these out. Put them apart, because it's also another kind of screw. There are 3 kinds of screws in this tire. The tires are from Endura. Also the rims are Endura. It's a very good brand actually. It's aluminum. So it's a very good tire. It won't rust or anything like that. See? So this is a cap. It's to hide the nut when you fasten the tire on the car. So now I will put in all these small ones around here to make it look nice. Then I put the tire on the car, show you how I do that, and put the cap back on in the middle. And that's one tire fixed, and then I will do the other ones and show you what the result is. So as you can see, I'm halfway now with putting in these screws in these small holes here. And we will go on like this until we are at the end. Then I show you how I fix the tire on the car. This is the result of the finished tire with the bolts inside there. Now I will put the tire on the car. This is the car actually, where it's gonna be fit on, the Blazer K5. It's a 1979 vehicle from Chevrolet, and I'm gonna fix the tire on there, so I show you how that is done. We have the car and the tire. We are using this tool with the bolt to put the tire on the car. So let's first get the tire on there. There you go. It's cool. And then you screw this on. Oh, this is screwed on there. Yep. And you fasten this screw, but not over fasten it, because you can easily break the axle, and this is not something you want to happen. Breaking an axle is not fun at all. There's a possibility to put back on the caps, the original ones that were with the car, but I'm gonna use the one that is actually delivered with this. So this comes on there, and then this is how it looks. So I will finish that up for you and then show you the result when all 4 tires are on there. So this is the result, people. These are the new rims, beadlock. So now you know how you can easily change them. And this is the Blazer K5 from Traxxas, trx4. So I hope you liked this video. The next video will be installing lights on this car. So you will see that next week. And yeah, enjoy your weekend. And yeah, nice driving out there. Bye bye.